Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Sopari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the alternate of Click Magic. You have heard it right. You are going to get a free software which is completely equal to Click Magic. Okay, you are not going to pay anything. I'm going to reveal it in the next minute, but let's go and check with the pricing with Click Magic, what all benefits you would be getting in a basic plan. Okay, when we compare it with the starter plan of Click Magic, it's completely like around $37 per month, and you're getting around 10,000 clicks a month. Okay, unlimited conversions, and you're getting 2 custom tracking domains and 6-month data retention and basic online support. So this is what we are getting with Click Magic basic plan. Okay, we have a standard and pro plan which is $77 and $197. Okay, so without any delay, let's go and check with the software where we are going to work and where it is completely for free. Okay, and the software which I'm going to talk about is Bemob. Okay, Bemob is a tracking software. It's an ad tracking software for media buyers as well as affiliate marketers. So when we compare it with Click Magic and when it comes with the pricing, here with the basic plan, 3 months retention data and 1 lakh event per month. So when it comes to Click Magic, it's around 10,000 clicks a month, and here in Bemob it's around 1 lakh per month. Okay, after 1 lakh they are going to charge around 6 cents, and we are getting around 5 custom domain with SSL for free, and here with $37 we are getting only 2 custom tracking domains. That's it. So I think you have got the right tracking platform. So it's quite easy to sign up. Click on sign up. Okay, I'm not going to mention any link in my description. Go directly Google it up and get signed up with Bemob. Okay, I'm using it. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly this is the dashboard, how it looks like. We are going to track the visits, clicks, conversions, revenue, cost, profit, ROI, and the traffic, from which traffic source we are diverting traffic, and the offers. Everything can be tracked. Okay, when you go to settings, then it's quite easy. You need not to worry. If you need any video regarding Bemob, like how to track an affiliate link, anything, just you comment on below. I would be surely making a video on Bemob when we compare it with promoting an affiliate link. Okay, so to sign up, it's quite easy. Let me show you how to sign up for Bemob. See, here we have a sign up button, so please click on that. Okay, and give your full name. See, after I get a confirmation email from Bemob, once I click the link, so it redirected me over here. So you can select a messenger ID. Okay, and the country. This currency cannot be changed once you have selected here and clicked on create account. So make sure you select the correct currency. So I click on create account. Now the next step what come across is, okay, here see the billing information is the next step what we would be coming across. So please enter the first name, last name, company, it's optional, phone number, address, and click on next. So once you click on next, what happens, is it would be asking you to enter your credit or debit card details. Okay, so I have my credit card with me, so I have entered my credit card details, and there was a transaction of 1 cent. Okay, I've paid 1 cent and I successfully got registered. So if you are not having credit or debit card with you, so as an alternate, go and check on YouTube. You would be finding many videos like how to make a payment or how to enter a debit or credit card details and get successfully registered with softwares. Okay, you would be finding many alternatives. Please go and check. So once you successfully signed up for BMOP, this is how the dashboard looks like. So if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from my end. Okay, I'm into affiliate marketing niche, and I'm going to show my all new strategies on how to drive traffic to your affiliate link and get sales from it. Okay, you can check my previous videos, and the strategies are completely different with other YouTubers or other paid channel users. So guys, please do subscribe, and if you have any queries, then you can please comment on. I would be reverting it back very soon. And if you need a video on BMOP completely how to register your affiliate link and how to promote it, then you please comment on. I would be surely making another video. It depends upon the interest you show on this video, and do like this video. Why? Because it motivates me to make new videos based on affiliate marketing and the strategies what I use. Thank you very much guys, and have a great day. Bye bye.